Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, today on Get Veganized we're going to make sweet potato flatbread. A friend of mine, Katz, from California, wanted me to make him a vegan pizza for Lent. So I've decided to make sweet potato flatbread as the crust. Alright, let's get started. Okay, right here I have some leftover sweet potato from the other night, and I will mash it in the bowl here. I did heat it up a little bit so it mashes a little easier. Okay, I would say that's about a cup of sweet potato. So to this cup I'm going to add a half cup to start of all-purpose flour. Here it is, a little bit at a time. It still looks a little moist. I'm going to add a little more flour to it. I'm going to put some flour down on my board. Now I'll add a little more flour to the board, a little on top, and I'm going to roll this with a rolling pin to get it to the thickness that I want. It will help if the rolling pin has a little flour on it as well. Alright, here we go. Alright, perfect. Now I will take a Tupperware bowl, put a little flour along the edge, and cut my dough. Okay, now to get this up off the... Okay, now I stick it in a warm skillet. A little oil so it doesn't stick, and we cook it on each side, and we cook it on medium to medium high depending on your stove until it turns into bread, checking every once in a while. There it is after I flipped it. I'm going to flip it a couple more times, get a little brown on it. There we go. That's what I'm looking for, those brown marks. Nice brown marks. That's how I know it's done. And here it is. This is what it looks like completed, and my next video I will make pizza on top of this. I'll make this my pizza crust and it'll be fabulous. It smells really great and it looks good and it'll be just perfect size for me. I hope you enjoyed the video today and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Hey, this is Chef Bugsy and I'm back. I finished the rest of the dough. And just to show you don't need to make it round for a pizza, you can have it any size. And that's one of the other halves, and here's the other one. And I hope you enjoyed the show, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Get Veganized. This is Chef Bugsy. See you later. Hi, this is Chef Bugsy with Get Veganized, and I hope you enjoyed the video today. And if you liked it, you can give me a thumbs up and please subscribe below. Thanks for watching.